Step 3, start packing. Start packing. Packed and cluttered rooms turn buyers off and make your home look smaller with insufficient storage. Lots of storage space is one of the biggest requirements of home buyers. Also, a home packed with your personal items makes it difficult for a buyer to see themselves and their personal items in the house.
Once you decide to put your house on the market, it's no longer your house. It's now a commodity to sell. Try to appeal to as many buyers as possible by depersonalizing your home and make it a great house that someone else can envision as their home. Start by storing away excess furniture, toys, and personal decorations such as family photos.
Pack up things you don't use on a daily basis. Rent a storage unit or at least store your things away in the garage. This also gives the buyer the impression that you are ready to move.
Packing up personal photos and personal items of value are also a security precaution so that your items don't get damaged accidentally during a showing, open house, or inspection. Packing also gives you a head start on your move. Win-win.
Yes, win-win.